Hey guys, it's me back, Baby Gum 23 with another video. Today I'm gonna do a bike ride with my friend Gashan, and we have a channel GS Bros together. Do you guys want to see the moon? I think you do. Right there. So guys, that's called the moon though. So guys, we're gonna start doing our bike ride. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So guys, can you please just like and subscribe and stuff? I'll like that if you guys like and subscribe. Oh guys, sorry the audio might be bad. What's up? What's up? Yeah, we're going on a different route. So guys, we're just chilling, riding bikes. I don't know why bike rides get so famous. Last time I got on the new Fox News. If you've seen on the GS Bros channel, alright, does get put on Safari and RIP RIP BB Gun 23. BB Gun 23. BB Gun King 23. Just put that on there and boom, go on images, I'm on the news. So let's go guys. Look at this dude. Got one-handed. Hey Gashan, do you want to have a race?
Not yet, for iPhone.
Bro, I got an iPhone on me too.
Shut the
Bro, that's iPhone 10. Or this guy. This guy. You're dumb. That was just bright and oh shoot, it's too bright.
Yeah, guys, it's too bright.
No,
Hey, Zachary, should we go to the school? Just a sneak peek? Or should we just explore in like 2 minutes?
let's do it for our tomorrow video. So guys, tomorrow we will explore our video. Camera versus camera.
Yeah, tomorrow. Not
See that
today.
pink iPhone? That's his mom.
Yeah.
Look, I'll show you around. Look at this dude.
Look at this dude.
Look at this dude, 11-year-old.
Yeah, I'm gonna unsubscribe him.
Whatever. Well, guys, I remember I told you you guys will see the sun. Ah, freak.
Slow poke.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, yeah, slow poke. Slow poke.
Ow, that's not poke. Guys, this guy. Where do you want to go? Yeah, let's turn. Hey, no, go straight, go straight. This dude. I got a stinky ear. Oh, shoot. Bro, this guy got freaking shocked. Wanna race? Right there. Going at 50 miles per hour. Look at the Ferrari. Turning out. Oh guys, do you want to see a helicopter? There. The moon. I wish I could zoom in. I can't. So guys, me and Gashan just dropped a new music video. Guys, please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's go on this huge journey. Look at this dude. Guys, there's gonna be a lot of editing. The freaking number plates of cars and stuff. Gonna be a lot of editing. Here we go. Bro, guys, I'm gonna have to wait for this guy to not know where he is. It's too bright. I guess I have to. Guys, look at. Come on, speed up! Guess what? I could. Turkey. No handed. No hand. But I'm going on this journey together. Our neighborhood is very big.